Earlier this week, on Monday, the NYSE made a big announcement. It's developing a tokenized securities platform that will allow for round-the-clock trading. The new digital trading venue, which will include tokenized stocks and exchange-traded funds, is set to launch later this year, pending regulatory approval. And joining me now with more is the man spearheading this initiative, Michael Blaugrund. He's VP of Strategic Initiatives for Intercontinental Exchange, the parent company of the NYSE. Michael, welcome.
Thank you so much for having me. It's great to be here on the floor of the NYSE.
Yes, it's great to see you, of course, in the NYSE. What does this mean for traders?
Well, what we're really excited about with the new tokenized venue is that we're going to offer a complement to the very well-functioning, very effective traditional markets with a tokenized offering that will enable the user experiences that are becoming sort of the de facto standard for today's retail traders. That includes 24/7 operations. That includes the ability to trade in fractional shares, meaning you can put in an order in dollar-based quantity instead of in share-based quantity. And it'll have the ability to instantly settle into stablecoins so that people that are coming into the investing world through the crypto environment will have a very natural transition to invest in the world's best companies.
Tokenization might be a new word, let's say, for some investors. Is that simply a digital representation of a security? How would you describe it?
Sure, you put it very well. Tokenization is using blockchain technology to encode in a smart contract the nature of that asset. With respect to our solution, we're going to integrate both with traditional securities that are tokenized via the DTC, which is the depository for the traditional book entry securities, as well as digital transfer agents, companies that are helping issuers bring tokens digitally native into the primary market. We'll support both of those types of securities and will allow people to trade on NYSE tech, but then settle onto a blockchain.
So it's building on that infrastructure that already exists from a technological standpoint, is that right?
That's right. So NYSE members today could subscribe to this new venue. They can use technology with which they're very familiar already. And we're going to use market structure conventions that are very traditional. All of our trading will be intermediated by broker-dealers who are registered. The venue is going to respect investor protections that are common in the market, like limit up, limit down, volatility controls, and trading halts, and protecting the NBBO, which ensures that trades don't go off at aberrant prices. So we feel like we're able to introduce something that's going to leverage the best of this new technology without requiring really any significant regulatory exemptions or new policymaking.
So for traders, they get 24/7 access. And for issuers, what does this mean?
So I think there are a number of issuers, particularly some of the largest ETF issuers, that are very, very interested in getting their products in front of this next generation of investors who perhaps are coming into the market through crypto. Maybe they're getting interested in quantitative trading through prediction markets. There's sort of a whole new spectrum of people coming into the space. And so to the extent that there are investment dollars looking for a home that are currently living in digital wallets and maybe they're being funded in stable coins, our venue is going to offer an opportunity for those ETF issuers and crypto forward corporate issuers to begin to bring their products into that ecosystem.
Now, this is under development. I know you mentioned it is pending regulatory approval. What are the next steps in this development?
So we're working diligently with the regulators to prepare for the approval process. And we anticipate that that will go smoothly given that we're largely conforming with the existing conventions. We're working with a number of our broker-dealer members to understand their desires and potential engagement as we shape some of the final details of the trading algorithm and execution models. And we're engaging with the ETF community and other issuers who are very interested in understanding how this will work and how they can adapt to take advantage of it.
I hope you'll join us again, Michael, so we can get updates on the creation of this new platform built on the NYSE existing technology. That's Michael Blaugrund. He's VP of Strategic Initiatives for Intercontinental Exchange, or ICE for short. Michael, thanks as always.
Thank you, Kristen. Great to see you.
Great to see you.